Step 2 in how I plan my ideal week. I use Notion for this. And so basically I just, go through each day of the week and I write out what are all the things I have to get through of work, of school, of my job. And doing so, provides me with two different outcomes. I don't have to remember everything in my head at once, which is a huge benefit for me because I have so many things I have to do. But, and probably more importantly though, doing it in this way allows me to be very intentional with the work that I'm doing, which means that I can be very intentional with which kind of activities that provide the most amount of outcome that I want. And thus, I only spend time doing the things that are important to me instead of just, filling my days with all sorts of work that are not going to be very helpful for me in attaining the goals that I have set. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, comment Notion down below. And other than that, as always, thank you for watching and stay disciplined.